Look at how big my stop is, and I still got tapped out. Regardless of where your stop is, you're gonna get taken out at this point, regardless of where your stop is. What's popping, guys? It's your boy iamXO, and in this video I will show you guys how to use the CCI Indicator, which stands for Commodity Channel Index, in your trading strategy. Will the CCI, the Commodity Channel Index, be a profitable strategy? Well, let's find it out in this video. Or will it be a regular nonsense Forex trading indicator strategy? Let's find it out together in this video. Let's get started. And also, only a small percentage of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell notification icon, like this video. It's free and you can always unsubscribe. And if you have any question or you have any video ideas you want me to make, please make sure to drop a comment and I will make sure to help you make that video and answer your questions. Enjoy the video. So guys, first and first, we have to plot, or should I say we have to find the CCI. And clearly you come to this point, you search for CCI, you see Commodity Channel Index. So you click on the Commodity Channel Index and where is it? I can't find it. I cannot find it. I cannot find it. Let me go back. CCI. Oh, okay. Okay, this is the CCI, guys. This is CCI. So let me change the color. I don't like this color. It looks too confusing. So let me use purple. I love purple. So okay, guys, the strategy for this CCI is when you see I guess I watched some videos that say when you see CCI at oversold level, then you take a trade. So guys, for me, I had some people, like I watched some videos online one time and they said if you see CCI at oversold or overbought, then you want to take a trade, and I would not recommend you do that. I would not. You should never even do that. You should never try that. You should not do that. All right. So my own way of doing it is I will use the CCI to trade a divergence. All right. So as you can see at this point, so let's use here as this point as an example, guys. So drawing this down, you can see there's a divergence at this point. Look at this area here, and you can look at this point too. At this point, look at this. But there's a divergence. There's clearly a divergence at this point. Let me draw that out for those of you guys who don't know what the divergence is. Divergence simply means a discrepancy in price when the price and the indicator is moving in opposite directions, which means that the price is divergent. There is no divergence here. I think there's one here. Okay, let me draw that out. So clearly we can see a divergence at this point. So let's see. Yeah, okay, right here. So at this point you can see there is a divergence at this point. If you're using the bodies, I don't care if it's the body or the wick. All I know is if I see divergence, I will trade. At this point you can see there's a divergence. As you can see, there's a divergence at this point, and right at that point where we saw the divergence, we saw this engulfing candlestick. All right, we saw this engulfing candlestick. But the way I traded the divergence is I like to take the divergence right at that point it happened. You can see it happened at this point, right at this point. You can see it engulfed. But let's just assume, okay, we took the trade. To be real with you guys, let's assume we took this trade and for a 9 pip stop, 9918, so 18. So we clearly lost this one. So let's take the other one, which is this one. So 8816, 16 pip stop for a 1 to 1.5 or a 1 to 2, whichever way you want. So a 1 to 2 was a win, a 1 to 1.5 was also a win, a 1 to 3, 1 to 4, I don't know, whichever one you want to use. But usually I like to recommend a 1 to 1.5 or a 1 to 2R. But my main strategy, my main strategy I trade with is a 1 to 2.5 or a 1 to 3. But you can trade it with a 1 to 1.5. If you have a high win rates, you can still make money. So a 1 to 1.5 is good, a 1 to 2 is even better. So we want this trade. Alright guys, real quick, let me show you guys a selling trade. So at this point I can see that the CCI is diverging. This point you can see this highs and this low of the CCI, and let's draw that out. So this highs and this, let me change the color to black. So you can see this highs and this points, so here to here, and on so you can see that the CCI and the price is divergent. So right at that divergence we look for an engulfing candlestick, and before we take the trade we have to see the ATR value of this pair, which is gold, 33.87, 67.7. So we come right here and we 67.74. So at 67.74. So right there you can see 67.74 is our stop, and obviously our take profit is going to be 1 to 1.5 or a 1 to 2. You can see a 1 to 2 was a win. That means obviously a 1 to 1.5 was also a win. So it depends on, guys, trade this with a grain of salt. You have to back test it, like test it and see if it's actually a good strategy you want to take. I'm just showing you guys how I will use the CCI indicator in my trading strategy. So it's just to use it for a divergence and yeah, a divergence and an engulfing candlestick as price action, as my entry price action. So that's it. So guys, this is just me showing how to use the CCI. This is nothing fancy. I just want to make this video really quick and fast and easy to understand. And I'm not trying to teach you some secret strategy. I do not use the CCI in my trading strategy. This is just for those who have been asking me to make a video on how I use the CCI. This is how I will use the CCI. Alright, this is how I will use the CCI, just to track divergence in the market. I will not necessarily trade based on CCI overbought and oversold. That is not, I don't think that is a good idea, because looking at all this I can see oversold at this point where the market smashed down. Regardless of where your stop is, you're gonna get taken out at this point. Regardless of where your stops is, let's say you saw this oversold market and you took a trade at this point. Look at how big my stop is, and I still got tapped out. So if you guys found value in this video, I want you guys to please like this video, share this video with your friends, leave a comment, and most especially guys, subscribe for more content. Turn on the bell icon, because that will make me happy and make you happy. Of course, it will make us happy. So I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys have a great and wonderful day. Stay XO.